iṣẹ́ Oluomo àníṣe ẹ má fa ọmọ Ìgbò kalẹ̀ láti wá ṣojú àwọn èèyàn ní Mùṣín àfẹ́ iṣẹ́ Oluomo àníṣe gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ti sọ pé àfẹ́ ní ìkànṣepọ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn tí ìbá ti ṣe Yorùbá mọ́ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni wọ́n ń pè bí torí pé àwọn náà gbà wá láàyè lọ́dọ̀ wọn lọ́hùn láti lè bá wọn dupò nínú ìjọba wọn lọ́hùn wọn gbà wá láàyè. ìlú Èkó tá a wà iṣẹ́ àfẹ́ kẹ́nìkan tí wàá fọwọ́ lálẹ̀ fún wa mọ́ ẹ̀yìn yẹn wá ohun tí mo mú wá fún wa yìí mo fẹ́ kí àjọ farabalẹ̀ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń lọ láàrin àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá àti bọ́dà wa MC Oluomo nígbà tí wọ́n fa ọmọ Ìgbò kan kalẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá á nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí ọmọ Ìgbò tí wọ́n fà kalẹ̀ yẹn òun la fi kọ̀ kí bóyá ń bá wọn jà á bá wọn jà àmọ́ ìgbésẹ̀ ọmọ Ìgbò tí wọ́n gbé yẹn láì sí pé ọmọ Ìgbò wọn fẹ́ gbé lé ọmọ Yorùbá lórí òun la fi kọ̀ fún wọn. ẹ má yẹ kí n sọ̀rọ̀ jù mo fẹ́ kájọ fìdílé nǹkan kájọ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà ní ọ̀rọ̀ náà gangan ohun tó fà á táwa Yorùbá tá a fi kọ̀ mo fẹ́ kájọ gbọ́ ṣẹ́díbọ́ ẹ má bá wa ká lọ ẹ ṣé.
I repeat, as a Nigerian politician, another day to remind you that politics is local. If you don't have control of your grassroots, you will not go far in Nigerian politics. Many politicians are being disappointed because they do not control the grassroots politics. So, politics in Nigeria is local. Now, the Yoruba people are saying that no non-indigenous in Lagos, no matter who you are, if you like, donate 500 billion naira to a community, a Yoruba community. We are not going to support any non-Yoruba indigene. If you like, in your community, make una get the population past everybody. Yes, we are not going to tolerate any non-Yoruba indigene. Let's look at this report. Lawrence Ire married the daughter of Orji Uzor Kalu. So Orji Uzor Kalu's son-in-law was endorsed by MC Oluomo, who wanted him to represent Mushin Oshodi Federal Constituency in Lagos. Now, a whole MC Oluomo, Yorubas rejected that candidate. Yorubas are rejecting MC Oluomo. Yorubas are attacking MC Oluomo because whatever happened, he endorsed, they called the person Omo Igbo to become a House of Rep leader in Mushin Oshodi Federal Constituency. Some days ago, I said that the kind of politics we have started playing in Nigeria today is ethno-central politics. Politics that is centered on the ethnicity, on the indigenes of that polity or whatever community or constituency. But some people still, with their strong head, they refuse to understand that things have changed. They like to waste their money, they like to waste their time, they like to waste their effort. If you are in an environment, you need to understand the people you are dealing with.
Yes.
As a person. First of all, as an Igbo man, Lagos is not my ancestral home.
Yes.
Lagos belongs to Yorubas. And I'm going to align as much as the freedom the people of this land give to me because it is not my father's land.
Yes.
There is no one Nigeria everywhere. Anywhere, there's no one Nigeria. Even your politicians don't believe in one Nigeria. If they believe in one Nigeria, they will fix the country.
Yes.
Nigeria is so divided. Everybody with their clear eyes, they know that Nigeria is not one. Because I listen to some Igbo lawmakers that want to become House of Rep, Assembly in Lagos State. They used to say, but we are one Nigeria. So Igbos are now preaching one Nigeria. My brother, go back to Imo State. Go back to Anambra State. We are asking for restructuring, not your one Nigeria. That is why I like how the Yorubas rejected Benjamin Kalu on his indigenization policy. So people should erase their indigenship and embrace a faulty system created by colonial masters. These politicians, they are pretending as if they don't know the reason why Nigeria was created. It was a convenience of the British. Imagine different people from different background. They just bring them together. They call them one Nigeria. Does it make sense? It makes sense. A northerner with a different northerners from Yoruba land or the south here, and even the south, we get some semblance. From here and go to northern Nigeria, you no go believe say na Nigeria you dey. The way and manner they behave, the culture and everything is in contrast, and you forcefully bring these people together, and you're calling it one Nigeria. There is no country that wants to develop that will develop in division. Any country you see is a developed country. They had one language, one ideology. They are united in something. Nigeria cannot be united in anything. Even in the south here, even inside Yoruba land, they fight Oyo people. So we need to work on our individuality and understand our differences, hold our spaces together, then come to a common memorandum of understanding as people to work together in separate units. Oluomo told them, this una capital of Lagos is a trap to Yoruba people. Take it away from Lagos and take it somewhere else. If Lagos were still the capital of Nigeria, the Yorubas would not have mouth as they have it now. Thank God that Lagos was taken, the capital was taken away from Lagos. At that time, it was taken. Ahmadu Bello said that Nigeria, the amalgamation of Nigeria, was a mistake of 1914. They never believed, even our founding fathers never believed that Nigeria was designed to be one. Why Oluomo said that Nigeria is a mere geographical expression. And some people in their wisdom, in their years of studying politics, they are yet to understand that politics, if you are going to survive politically, you must be able to identify with the grassroots and also have control of your grassroots. Yes. If you are not an indigene, it takes God. In this next election, it's only God in heaven that can make you win an election. Anywhere, if you're not an indigene. It may be different with that of the Fulani and the Hausa, because the Hausas have embraced the Fulani. The Fulani has really taken over. Like power, they have taken over. Economy, they have taken over. Politics, they have taken over. Religion, they have taken over. Tradition, they have taken over. So that is a different scenario. If the Fulani emerge, that's the difference. They have married, intertwined. But any clear-cut community that have indigents, that are not slaves to anybody, yet, it will be difficult for you to win elections. I see some Igbo people. I was one of the earliest persons that joined the NDC. In my own ward, in my own place, na Yorubas, I'm a candidate that is running for House Assembly is my friend. I supported him financially. We are supporting him as a Yoruba person. I may be more qualified than him, but me, I go use my brain now. I use my brain. I know what is going on. Even though they like me or they don't like me, or they love me in the community, I know what is going on. So we have to push that young Yoruba man. Yes, as the House of Assembly representing this word. That's just the reality. And see, some people have so much infiltrated the NDC in Lagos. Now they are calling the NDC an Igbo. See, I'm not concerned about what people are saying, the propaganda people carry about the NDC. But I'm concerned about the way I carry myself and what I do. Most importantly, can I defend what I do? Now, Oluomo supporting, endorsing an Igbo person to become Mushioshu, the federal constituency in Lagos. Yorubas responded. They said that this is Yoruba land, Yoruba people, Yoruba votes. Yes, if Oluomo's son, who schooled in Lagos, went to Abia State, you see the reason they are giving what they are giving. Yes, if Oluomo's son, who schooled in Lagos, went to Abia State, tomorrow and he says he wants to contest for House of Assembly seat here, would the Igbos allow it?
Yeah, answer us now.
Would the Igbos allow it? It is time for us to understand that the stage, I'm talking to my Igbo people, the stage that we are is a stage of restructuring, that we need to hold our ground, because if they share Nigeria today, who is the greatest benefactors? Those that you see that are ruling Nigeria today, they have a large following from their own base. Today, you have a Buhari. He has the Buharists. Most of them are from the north. Most of them are Fulani. Most of them are Muslims. You have the APC under Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Most of them are Yorubas. I mean, most of them. And they are proudly so. They are not hiding, say, we are one Nigeria. No. They are proudly regional. Okay, if you want anything from us, we are united here, then we will negotiate for power. That's what the North does, and that's what the Southwest does. If you want to become president in Nigeria, you need to follow that path. It is not in the same history. That's how Azikiwe was against regional system of governance. One Nigeria, Zik of Africa. He was so intelligent than other people. He was thinking for others. He thought he was going to think. Even though what you are doing about Nigeria is right, Nigeria, let us be one. If we are one, things could work. Even though it's right, you cannot think for people, for civilizations. The civilization of the Fulani is different from your own civilization as an Igbo man. What they call civilization, like, you know, all of us, we are human beings. Let's say we are Christians. We all came from Adam. But how come are we different from each other? We all came from one person, but we are different. It is because of civilization. What our mentality, what we live through, what we believe, our culture, our heritage, we are different from each other. Somebody that lived in the desert and somebody that lived in the forest, even though two of them come from Adam, Adam is our father, your brother and sister. If that person stays in the desert for 100 years, the desert is going to change him. That is environment. It's going to change him totally. That person that stays in the forest, that environment is going to change him. That's what we call civilizations. Our civilizations are different. You cannot think for people what they want, because civilization is strong. You see all this, civilization goes the same with ideology. The ideology leads to your civilization. Like what you think leads to how you behave, your way of life, your culture. Yes. The Boko Haram that is killing because of an Islamic State, do you think that it is by sending US bomb, kill the leader? You kill one of the greatest leaders, blah, blah, blah. You think that it's by that bomb that you stop what they are doing with ISIS, ISWAP, and Al-Qaeda? Look at US. What US can do is that they can just scare them away for a time. But these guys, they live on civilizations, on ideology. Islam is a civilization that people embraced for years. Are you going to tell me that Nigeria is going to work when we have jihadists, Islamic fundamentalists wanting to rule the country? We have also Christians. Look at the Christian genocide. Some people tell you that there's no Christian genocide. They'll be gaslighting people before our koro eyes. Now, so they tell us, say, restructuring has a different interpretation from this and that. Restructuring is this. It depends on the angle you are coming from. Yes, genocide, if you are trying to wipe out the population of a people because of their faith, that is genocide. Yes, you want to know whether you have wiped out 1 million before it becomes genocide in your eyes. Maybe in a community of 100,000, 50,000 are Christians. And you are moving to wipe off like 20,000. Is that not genocide? Must it be 1 million? So things are happening politically and people refuse to read the room. Now, Oluomo, they are shutting him down out of Oshodi politics. Oluomo, now from Oshodi now. Maybe the other time he wanted to take the throne of Oshodi. He has a house in Oshodi. The Igbos have a strong presence. To be candid with you, the Igbos have a strong presence in Oshodi. If they do any free and fair elections, the Igbos are going to win Oshodi back to back. But you see, politics pass politics. Look at the ones that they are screening. I think I have the information here. In the same Oshodi, they screen people. The Lawrence Yere, they pressure him. he intentionally had to step down. No? he stepped down because they told them in Lagos, here, it is Yorubas, we don't have time for any other person. We want to prove to people, because some people have been saying that Lagos is no man's land.
Yes, now.
Lagos is no, and they are saying it and they are beating their chests. Maybe now with Yorubas, we have to prove to this set of people that Lagos belongs to somebody and they also have their own place. You see them, they are drawing history from Azikiwe that wanted to run as premier of Western region using one Nigeria. While you see a lot of opportunities in the southeast, a lot of desolate places in the southeast, it's just fine. But when it comes to that fine thing, when they bring out money, I travel to the village, see mansion, inside bush, mansion. What is the value of that mansion? If you go my place, you see house where they build. What is the value of a mansion for people where they reason very well?
Very well. Yes, now.
Some of the mansions, some people say they don't die for abroad. They don't if you come back again, costly for that mansion. Now make their own money now, sell the house. What is now the essence? They leave their mansion, they go to a place that is productive. Some people, 2 shops they have in Alaba is building those mansions up and down. 2 shops. Those 2 shops, they are much more profitable than the mansions they have in Ebola. We have said it, I've said it many times that we need to think home. I've said it, this is more than 2 years. I've been saying it. We need to think home. We have what it takes to make something out of nothing as an Igbo man. Somebody said I'm not praising Igbo man. Let me praise Igbo man now. Individually, Igbos do better individually. But it's unfortunate we don't find a common ground to come together as a people, to work as one, as a united people. An Igbo man is intelligent. An Igbo man is hardworking. An Igbo man perseveres. An Igbo man, Igbo man, if Igbo man not there for a certain place where we say development day, that development, let's just exaggerate. That development, now fake development. An Igbo man in this Nigerian context must be in a place where there is development, where there is commercial activities. If you go to any commercial state or any commercial place, you don't find Igbo man there. Forget. There's nothing you will tell me that place is not a commercial state. That's my personal take on that. In this context, in this civilization, we have been together for a very long time. You cannot take Igbo out of the context because we have been together for a very long time. If today they say Igbo should leave Lagos, you see that flavor of the Igbo people in the marketplace will be missed. I'm not saying Lagos will not survive, but the flavor of the Igbo people in the marketplace will be missed. I'm telling you. For instance, now you want to take over the cattle market. Can you do cattle than the Northerners? Can you do it more than the Northerners? Igbo man, they do cattle. It's one of those things. Yoruba man, they do cattle. They rear cow. They look at it as something new. These people are trying, just like a woman is doing what a man can do. It is very few women that they know it's not a woman's thing, but somebody exceptional. That's how the Igbos are when it comes to business, commerce activities in Nigeria. You cannot take them out of it. But we have been lamenting that Nigeria will soon get to a point whereby they will say to your tent, O Israel. So what are you going to fall back to? Are you going to fall back to a mansion that is unproductive?
Yeah. Are you?
How much I don't know how to explain all this. I've said it that I've studied the Igbo people, some Igbo people, not all. The stronger we then get, until you carry mama, break that coconut head, make the head pieces before they realize anything. Nigeria, nobody will allow you to become president. It is you that will form a group, a team. We are playing against ourselves. Playing seriously against ourselves. If you see any alliance, it is an alliance from the grassroots. Okay, you want to have alliance. Okay, P2B, how come P2B is that useful to the northern people in ADC? Are you telling me that Atiku does not have his own political base? Are you telling me that Atiku's political base, 90% is not the northerners? So if anybody's going to have alliance with Atiku, a regional champion, you also need to show workings that you are also a champion in your region. If you want to negotiate for anything, yes. Look at Amechi. They are struggling with Amechi because they know that Amechi is not a regional. They are trying to hype him. They want package and one lap. P2B had a lot of votes from the southeast, and majority number of southeasterners are supporting P2B. That's why you see the relevance on P2B. If P2B can galvanize his base strong, don't look at what people are saying. People can open their mouth and say anything. In Nigeria, galvanize his base, attract power from the center, use the power to better yourself, better your life. That's the reality. Because there's no way in this place politically. Igbos need to know how to comport themselves. It is not bragging. How will I be doing like say I'm a coward for an Yoruba man? You see, if you are not a coward, nobody's a coward. Nobody. The last election, the governorship election, 2023 governorship election, after the presidential, when P2B won Lagos, many people were making out inside Tinubu Lagos. They beat you, blah, blah, blah. Instead of using wisdom, you see, that is election. That's the beauty of election. Some people are not taunting Yorubas. So during governorship election, what happened? They beat people. At the end of the day, they didn't arrest anybody. So the people that made mouth, they beat them with the amount they are making. They lamented their crime victim. Nobody came to their rescue. So who is now the fool? Who is foolish? Who is foolish? All this taunting, you are bragging. Bragging is out of it. If you have to work, you need to work. For instance, now we have 3 regions in Nigeria. We have the southeast. For instance, we have the southwest. Let's say 4. South, and the north. You have a farmland you need to cultivate. Somebody cultivated his farmland for many years and is reaping a lot from his own farmland that he can even accommodate people from other region. And he's happy with what he's doing. You that you have not really cultivated your farmland, you are bragging with people that have cultivated their farmland, whether by chance or whether somebody helped them or whether they were able to attract a lot of people, slaves that will come and help them do their farmland. However they did it, shouldn't be your problem. Yes. You have a farmland to cultivate on. Your business should be, I should keep on cultivating my farmland. At the due time, I'm going to reap. If Igbos can be able to focus on the southeast, play the politics of using the southeast as a voting bloc in Nigeria, you will see the development that will come to the southeast. You will see people who in Abia. I said in Abia. I'm from Abia State. I was supposed to go to Isukwato, go to Umahaya, Isukwato. But because of what Alex Oti did on that Port Harcourt road, I said, let me go and see what this guy is doing. I was not supposed to travel that year, but because of that, I went there. I stayed for 1 week on Port Harcourt road. He had not finished the road. People have started resurrecting buildings. People from outside the country started relocating from within Nigeria to Aba because of the development that came into Aba. Aba is a civilization for the southeasterners. Build house. You go to Aba, you go to see in Lagos today. I'm telling you a lot. That's what development does. If Alex Oti would be thinking like an average Alaba Igbo man, just there for a day, you do. People that are making money will be making money. Now, if they send you away from there, you come back to an empty. How does that? I can talk about all this for a very, very long time. Yorubas have a way of them doing their things. It is their land, it is their government, it is their this and that. I'm not going to drag with them. We have a law, a constitution, but the politics behind it is ethnocentric. If you want to understand. If you understand, you know how to play. I don't know why it is usually hard for Igbo people to turn their face to the southeast. It will be very beautiful. We can build the best economy in Nigeria if we really, really, really focus genuinely on how to build our land more than any other person. More than. If they divide Nigeria today, what has Southeast gained from the Commonwealth? They don't use trillions of naira. Pump it to not. They pump. our own trillions of naira under Tinubu regime. You see what was put in the southwest. 1 trillion naira metropolitan rail. The other one in Kaduna, I think Kaduna or Kano or Katsina.
Ìyẹn wa ọ̀rọ̀ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá wa MC Oluomo lórí ọmọ Ìgbò tí wọ́n fà kalẹ̀ òun náà lẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn ṣe ti gbọ́ ohun tí ẹ̀yin náà bá rí sí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà ń bẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká rí lábẹ́ kọ́mẹ̀ntì ṣe ti gbẹ́sẹ̀ gan ni ó dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo wa o gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ wo bógámù mi ojú tẹ̀ fi ń wojú náà ní fọ́ o gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ń gbọ́ bógámù mi èyí tẹ̀ fi ń gbọ́ etí náà ò ní di o gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ bá mi ṣe ètò yìí ọwọ́ tẹ̀ fi ń ṣe ètò náà ẹni fọwọ́ náà pọ́nmọ́ sí àwa láàmú wa bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni ẹ̀yin náà láàmú ọdẹ bá láṣẹ Èdùmàrè.